As promised, here is the sponge cake recipe. We used this recipe in our How to Train Your Dragon Cake, which you can watch here. Of course, you can change this basic recipe in any way you want to get the flavor you love. First, you start whisking 6 egg whites until they start getting fluffier. Then you gradually add 80 grams sugar while continuously mixing this. Of course, you can directly toss in the sugar as well, but I found this works better for me and my sometimes not dissolving sugar. Whisk until you get soft peaks. If you have a feeling that it is not stiff enough, you can of course continue whisking. Wouldn't hurt the cake in the least. Now you shortly whisk the 6 egg yolks so that they get all smooth. Add that to the egg whites and fold it in carefully. When that's done, get 180 grams sifted flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and add that gradually to the dough. Again, you fold in the flour carefully. In the meantime, you should add the 4 tablespoons of oil, which I almost forgot to add. When all the ingredients are fully incorporated, stop folding in. You don't want to deflate the cake by moving it too much. Then you can transfer the dough to your cake tin of choice. I had a 25 centimeter hoop, which will be a perfect fit for what I need. I actually made in this footage 1.5 portions so that we get at this width a certain height. Depending on the thickness of your cake, you need to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 40 minutes. Mine was really thick, so it took almost an hour to bake through completely. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool off. For the best result, you can directly toss them into the freezer to be used the next day, or whenever you want. I usually make mine the day before I need them, as they are way too soft to work with otherwise. And that's it! Here's a glimpse for our next week's cake, which subscribers to this channel will know about since February. Comment below which one that's gonna be. As usual, the recipe is in the description below, along with the cup measurements and whatnot for our American friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to drop a like. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Next week's gonna be epic. Thank you for watching.